Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for you to see today's video, but before we do that, I would just like to ask you guys to subscribe to my channel before you leave, if you haven't already, and let's get started. So today I'm going to be doing a full face of e.l.f. makeup. So I have all of it next to me and I'm just going to apply it to the face. I don't have every single product to make like a complete full face, but I do have a lot of e.l.f. products that I'm going to use for you guys today, so I'm really excited to get started. But first I'm going to put up my hair. Try to use like a little clip or put it up or something just so it's out of the way. It makes it a lot easier. So I'm going to start off with the e.l.f. Aqua Primer and Mist. So now I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Moisturizing Foundation Stick in shade Ivory. So I'm just going to draw this onto, now I'm going to blend it out. So I didn't have any e.l.f. concealer or powder, but I just didn't use concealer. I used a little bit of the foundation under my eyes to get rid of the dark circle. I powdered my face already with a powder that's not from e.l.f., so I figured I wouldn't put it in the video. I'm basically just trying to do a full face of e.l.f. Whenever I do the full face videos, I'm not going to use like substitute products on camera. So moving right along, I have this e.l.f. Total Face Powder. This is what it looks like on the inside. Very pretty. I'm going to take my angled brush and I'm going to go in with both bronzers. I like to mix both of them. And then I'm going to contour my face. I don't go in with too heavy of a hand. I want it to barely even look like it's doing anything. I don't know why that's just my thing right now. I don't want to look like too chiseled or anything like that, so just to give me a little bit of color though. Does anybody else have baby hairs that get in the way when you're doing your makeup? I do. So I'm actually going to be using a separate blush. That's why I didn't go in with one of the blush colors. So I have this e.l.f. blush. Take that, and sometimes I do the apples on my cheeks, but I'm actually gonna go across this time because since this one's like a more shimmery blush, I feel like it'll act as like a highlighter too, which I'm gonna put highlighter on of course, but I felt like this would be a good blush to use across the cheek instead of just on the apples because of the shimmer. I'm gonna go in with highlighter. I have the e.l.f. Liquid highlighter under the cheeks. I like a really blinding highlight. So next I'm gonna do eyeshadow. I don't have a palette. I have these like liquid, molten liquid eyeshadows. I have 3 of those. I'm not gonna use all 3 in this video, but I have those, and I have this matte one that's like a rose gold color. But first I wanted to set down some actual like powder. I should put that in the crease. I'm gonna go in with this blush shade. Put that on the upper part of my lid. And I'm just gonna go on the whole lid with this. So now I'm going to take the gold one and I'm going to put that on the inner corner. Eye look looks like just a pretty simple eye look, but I thought it'd be fun. So I'm going to do the other eye off camera and I'll be right back. The brown and the blush shade under the lower lash line also. Now I'm going to be using this e.l.f. product, which is an eyebrow and eyelash product. So one side says eyebrow, the other one says eyelash, so I'm going to be using that. The eyelash side you can either use by itself or you can use it over a mascara, but today I'm just going to use it by itself because I don't have an e.l.f. mascara. So if you guys have any suggestions of e.l.f. products that you think I should try out, definitely let me know. I would love to try them out because I really love e.l.f. e.l.f. is like one of my favorite brands. Their stuff is so cheap and it's really good quality. and I don't think I've actually gotten anything from them that I've been disappointed with. So if you guys have any products you want me to try, just comment them down below. And then I'm just going to use the brow gel side and just fix my brows and bring them together. So now I'm going to go in with lipstick. I have the e.l.f. Red Carpet lipstick. It's a really bright red shade. Love it. And of course, last but not least, the e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Set. Make it stay all day long. I hope you enjoyed this video of the full face using e.l.f. products. If you have any video suggestions, please comment them down below, and also please subscribe to my channel. Also check the description box for my social media and information about the video. See you next time.